Hey guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue hand sanitizer slime. This recipe is so easy to make and only needs 2 ingredients. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is... Also, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so the ingredients you'll need to make this no glue slime recipe today is any type of hand sanitizer. I really do recommend the ones from Bath & Body Works that have these gel beads inside them. Also need any type of hand soap. I'm just using this one from Walgreens. You'll need a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. So these are really all the ingredients you will need to make this no glue slime recipe. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is get out my bowler plate, and I'm going to get adding in my hand soap. So I honestly only want to make a little bit of no glue slime today, so that looks like enough. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my hand sanitizer. You will only need a few drops of this, so that looks like enough. And all you have to do for this recipe is mix it up, and then you're just going to put it into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. Every 30 minutes, look at it, mix it up, and make sure it's working. So I'm going to get mixing it up now. Okay, that's enough mixing, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my lid on. And also, don't mind my nails, they look so bad right now. I need to get them done today. And after that, what I'm going to do is put it into the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours, just like I said, and make sure it's working. So every 30 minutes, I'm going to look at it, mix it up, make sure like those beads are melting, because I feel like that's kind of what makes a no glue slime actually work, is these like beads in there, as you can see. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in about a second when this no glue slime recipe is all done. Okay guys, a few hours later, and the help with some pink food coloring, because I really didn't like the color on the no glue slime. Here it is. It's a super vibrant pink no glue slime. So let's take a look at this and see how it turned out. And ooh, super sticky. That's okay. Let's actually look at all of it, and yeah, this is very sticky, as I can tell. But look how pretty it is. I can still see there's some gel beads in here, which is honestly okay. Wow, this is super pretty. Oh my god, I just can't stand sticky slime, so that's why I always recommend to make slimes with actual glue, because they last forever, really, if you just like activate them over time and stuff. But no glue slimes just melt so quickly. But I know a lot of you guys will like these recipes because maybe you're not allowed to make real slime, or you just want to make a quick and easy no glue slime recipe like this one right here. But after like kneading it for a little bit, it does get like not so sticky, but still it's like all over my hands, as you can tell. Yeah, but this no glue slime recipe works. Sorry, I had to get out my other camera because this one died, but it works super awesome. This no glue slime recipe is a huge win-win for me. I really loved how it turned out. It is super sticky, which is honestly fine, but the color on it is super pretty, and after kneading it for a little bit, it did get pretty foggy. But this makes a no glue slime, so it's a huge win-win for me. I really hope you guys try out this no glue slime recipe, because I absolutely love it. I really do recommend using some food coloring if you want to make it more vibrant, and make sure to use more hand soap instead of hand sanitizer. Yeah, but if you guys like this video, remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Also, remember to check out all my YouTube shorts. I've been posting on there so often for you guys, and I'll make sure to post on there before I post this video so you guys can go check it out. And remember to check out all my social medias. My TikTok, Instagram, Roblox is all down below. You can go check me out on there. I'm always playing Dress to Impress, and I post on TikTok almost every single day, so go check out all my social medias. But yeah, bye guys, love you so much, and peace. And remember, thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye guys.